In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best motorcycle gadgets available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. While most modern motorcycles, including budget and beginner-friendly ones, have one or more USB connections for charging mobile devices, the same cannot be said for historic motorcycles. This handy and reasonably priced device connects straight to a motorbike battery's harness and adds a USB charging outlet to any bike. The device may be used to power a motorcycle GPS unit, action camera, or comm system in addition to charging a smartphone or tablet. While the charging port doesn't have an official ingress protection grade, it does have an attached detachable cover that protects the electrical components inside. It's worth mentioning, though, that this product also requires battery tender's SAE quick disconnect harness, which is only $5 or $6 extra. The USB connection can also be quickly removed thanks to the QD harness, so you won't have to worry about it being swiped if your bike is left parked on the street overnight. GoPros are perfect for mounting to a range of objects or body parts and shooting fast-paced photographs and films on the move, so it's no surprise they're a popular motorbike device. Thanks to the new GP2 processor, this waterproof model guarantees smooth filming and fast touch controls. A new water-shedding hydrophobic lens cover is also available, preventing unwanted moisture from ruining your shots. In low-light conditions, you may capture impressive image quality, allowing you to catch stunning sunsets on an evening expedition. This motorbike device, hailed as the most powerful GoPro to reach the market, allows you to straighten your photographs using horizon leveling technology, which is ideal for a bumpy, high-speed motorcycle ride. You may use the slow-mo and time warp capabilities to experiment with your images and have some fun with them. At freeway speeds, wind noise inside a motorbike helmet can easily reach 100 decibels, which can be dangerous and lead to permanent hearing damage in as little as half an hour. While standard earplugs address this problem, they significantly reduce situational awareness by preventing riders from hearing important noises while on the road. The EarPeace motorcycle earplugs were created to address this issue, and they use a proprietary noise-canceling filter technology that removes ambient wind and engine noise while allowing screeching tires, horns, and other critical sounds to be heard, ensuring situational awareness. Premium, hypoallergenic, medical-grade silicone is used to create the plugs. Each set comes with a trio of dual-flange plugs and high-fidelity filters with 3 different degrees of protection: medium, high, and max. In addition to on- and off-road riding and motorsports, the EarPeace earplugs are also ideal for concerts, construction, and woodworking. However, they should not be used as ear protection when discharging a firearm. A disc lock alarm is a simple, albeit noisy, way to boost the security of your motorcycle. When it detects movement, this device locks your motorcycle disc, preventing the wheel from spinning, and emits a 110 dB alarm sound. This is to prevent someone from pinching your bike while it is parked in a parking lot or on the side of the road. It's recommended that you secure your motorcycle to another item for longer parking stays, but this is a good choice for short stays when you're nipping in and out of somewhere. Anyone approaching may see you have a security system in place, therefore the bright yellow equipment may be a deterrent in and of itself. You get 2 keys, one for turning off the alarm and the other for protecting the lock. The Ogio Adult No Drag Mach 3 backpack will make keeping your valuables safe while riding a breeze. To begin with, the shell of this backpack is water and wind resistant, ensuring that all of your belongings remain safe within. The backpack's interior features a secure zipped pocket as well as several specialized spaces for keeping your laptop, iPad, gadgets, books, shoes, and more. Because of its ergonomic design, the weight is evenly distributed, so it won't tire you out or injure your shoulders. Its shoulder straps are comfortable and adjustable, allowing you to adjust them as needed. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.